Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Rains Field Backpack in blue. Let's get started. The Rains Field Backpack has quickly become one of my favorite backpacks when commuting around the city. The simplistic design, high-quality construction, and the weatherproof material pretty much checks every box when it comes to what I look for in a day backpack. There's a total of 2 compartments, one in the front where small items like stationery can be stored. The larger compartment features an internal pocket that can be used to store your tablet or 13-inch laptop. I was able to easily transport my 13-inch MacBook Pro in and out throughout the day and found the padded protection to be very secure. I found the main compartment to be an optimal area to store books and my water bottle with ease. The zippers on the backpack are also made of the same polyurethane and polyester material, which Rains calls it the AquaGuard coil zippers. The Rains Field Backpack also features shoulder straps when adjustments in fit are needed. In conclusion, the Rains Field Backpack is a minimalist, durable backpack designed to take on the weather without sacrificing style. With the integration of premium materials and seamless comfort, the Rains Backpack has proven itself to be an excellent choice for those looking for a subtle yet refined backpack. The Rains Field Backpack is available in a variety of colors and can be purchased now on BrandsWalk.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see a specific product reviewed for future content, comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.